5 to 6 years back, when we were actually doing our own projects, we kind of realized that we are doing the same stuff over and over again and in the most manual way. And it was more of an experiment that we suddenly chanced upon RPA to be in particular. And we realized the power of what automation can do. In a way, we were thinking that just like how automation transformed manufacturing, we saw that a similar disruption can actually come through RPA on the IT and business processes, bringing all the efficiencies. And that's where Tech Mahindra took a conscious decision. In order to accelerate all our processes, practices, and people, we kind of created a framework or a guide that you can say, which we called as AQT. And the idea was to actually bring in automation as a culture change within Tech Mahindra. And what we did was that we just not focused on creating new tools, but we also focused on training people. And after 5-6 years, we have now more than 25,000 people who are now certified on one or the other tool in terms of automation. We have created our own platforms for RPA, conversational AI, data analytics, serving our own projects. And what we have also done is over this course, since we have done it across our organization, we have now saved more than 60 million just within our organization through automation. So we have kind of taken those same things to our customers because we are no different from any other customer. We have the same set of departments, same set of challenges that other customers have. And, we are now serving many Fortune 50 customers and to many small and medium business customers. So really, it's a very flourished, well thought out automation community that we have created within our organization.